10 years ago, a vision was born. A vision to create a school that would inspire excellence, nurture care, and shape the leaders of tomorrow.
A place where every learner discovers their unique potential and grows with purpose. From those first classrooms to today, our journey has been
Extraordinary.
Since 2016, the GEMS Founders brand has captivated people. We now have the Founders Way, allowing us to grow, flourish, and succeed together. Come with us on an extraordinary journey.
The Founders Way reminds us that learning is a journey. It's not about the end product, but it is about how we get there. The Founders Way reminds us that our journey should be about care, excellence, teamwork, and always learning together.
Our Founders community is built on unity, strength, and inclusivity. We celebrate each other, celebrate our differences, support each other, and show resilience through every challenge, because together we grow stronger.
And it's also about leading by example, taking risks, and inspiring one another every single day. It's about embracing challenges and turning them into opportunities to grow, flourish, and succeed. But what does it mean to be a founder?
At the core of the Founders Way are our GEMS core values: care, excellence, one team, always learning.
From these foundations, we build our traits as Founders learners: personal excellence, mindfulness, future leadership, and physical passion.
This guides us to be confident, compassionate, and creative individuals who make a difference to our world.
They remind us, with every action we take, in class, at home, or in our community, reflects the Founders Way.
Founders Way is how we live these values every day, through honesty, collaboration, respect, support, and inclusion.
In the way we treat others with kindness, listen with empathy, and celebrate each other's success.
It's what makes our community strong, united, and full of pride.
And now we begin a new chapter. As we continue to celebrate the Founders' identity within our community, we are proud to launch the Founders Way Award. It is a celebration for our students who live our values every day.
And it's not just an award, it's a journey that we share and experience together.
It is a reflection of our growth, our unity, and the values in which we live by each day.
A set of videos, challenges, and flexible learning activities you can complete with your friends, family, and the wider community to show the world what the Founders Way is.
We've embraced this vision, and that's why we've created the holistic curriculum in line with the Founders Way. It is more than just a curriculum. It is a learning journey that shares and creates our values and visions to show the world what the Founders Way truly means.
Through this, every child from FS to year 13 experiences education that is engaging, character building, and truly transformative.
Are you ready to take the challenge? To learn, grow, and live the Founders Way together?
We are ready! We are ready! We are ready! We are ready! We are ready!
Together we learn. Together we lead. Together we live.